Today, I'm excited to share with you an incredible experience I had at one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the United States, Shoshone Falls, near Twin Falls, Idaho. Standing at 212 feet tall and stretching 900 feet wide, Shoshone Falls is a force of nature that surpasses even the height of the famous Niagara Falls by a remarkable 45 feet. As I stood on the edge of the Snake River Gorge, watching the water surge over the cliffs, I was struck by the raw power and beauty of this place. The Snake River carves its way through a 500-foot deep basalt canyon, creating this majestic spectacle as it continues its journey toward the Columbia River. But the real thrill came when I launched my drone and guided it down into the gorge. Flying through this massive canyon, with the walls rising up on either side, was an experience that's hard to put into words. As I approached the falls with my drone from river level, the sheer magnitude of the water crashing down became even more apparent. You could feel the power of over 10,000 cubic feet per second of water pounding down, creating a thunderous roar that echoed through the canyon. The mist that rose from the base of the falls was like a living, breathing entity, boiling up from below as the water collided with the river, sending sprays of cool water into the air. I was enveloped by the mist and the energy of the falls. It was a humbling reminder of nature's raw power and beauty. From this vantage point, the falls took on an almost otherworldly quality. The horseshoe-shaped cliffs seemed to cradle the water as it plunged into the canyon, creating a continuous cascade of white water that contrasted beautifully with the basalt walls. It was a moment of pure majesty, where I felt small in the presence of something so grand and timeless. This experience at Shoshone Falls is one that will stay with me forever. It's a place that commands respect, awe, and admiration, a true gem of the American West. I hope this video gives you a glimpse of the power and beauty of Shoshone Falls and inspires you to visit this incredible natural wonder for yourself. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and keep capturing the beauty of our world.